Stand with arms stretched out over your head. Bend forward from hip and reach down to touch your toes without bending your knees. Stand back up to start position. Lie on your back with both legs extended. Straighten your back and ensure your hips and lower back are firmly placed on the floor. Bend your right knee towards your chest, keeping your left leg extended on the floor. Hold the position for the required amount of time and release. Repeat the exercise for the other leg. Do not hold your breath and breathe normally. Lie down on your side with both legs parallel to the floor. Bend the leg placed on top backwards and hold it in your hand. Put it in line with your hip till you feel the stretch. Hold the position for the required amount of time and release. Repeat the exercise for the other leg. Do not hold your breath. Breathe normally.